once you shove down 200% protein, your body's only
I've got one back in my office that I watch. She's got one in there
this
that's in her
protein,
office that
because
she
maximize
watches.
what your body's
So we
going to
don't go
absorb.
watch it out here.
This is 100% protein for them.
Plus it
Can
has
you?
a tri-store protein blend in it, which helps you to get full back
Jen.
out of it.
That's what it
Right.
said.
This isn't coming on. Can they sit in there on the floor and watch
Yeah.
TV in your office?
Yeah,
More than welcome to. 'Cause I know this one's working.
It's in the body. It's in that kit. Do you have any of these? Do you have?
It's only
Add,
$5.
add it.
I printed that.
Do you have a couple more?
It's online, I
Oh,
just printed
okay.
it.
I didn't,
It's still not doing its
I'm
own
probably gonna have to reboot it to get it to.
Either that or we'll have to.
We'll try it. The volume might kick up. I don't know how loud it was when it does it, but the box is reboot. Yeah, see now it's gonna reboot. Alright.
This is in your back office. You can print this. It does have a kit. This is what they're currently using.
Okay.
Why they haven't upgraded yet.
Probably just because it was pre-printed and they're just,
Getting through everything.
yeah.
So you can get to see back office. We went down to office. We go and print this out and call it.
Right.
No difference.
This one's for all of us lawn
I'm
snacks.
sure I think anything else you're going to be faced with.
Get some more Saturdays in the sun and budgets better
Now,
spent.
bodybuilders, that's the number one thing you got to explain.
The experts and
As
shoppers.
soon as they see that word, I swear it's like they're just going to
Turn 'em off.
a complete switch.
See, I don't have a problem with soy. I'll drink
Yeah,
soy
women
milk.
don't
I put soy in my
It's really good for
cereal.
women, and it's good for your heart.
Yeah, I've been told that the almond milk is like taste wise.
She really doing that.
Without